Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today we'll be looking at ideal transfer price. What's an ideal transfer price? All right, so in the first video we were able to explain what transfer pricing means. We were able to also look at objectives of transfer pricing, problems of transfer pricing, and then the types of transfer pricing. So today we'll be looking at ideal transfer price. So basically, when you hear ideal transfer price is more like the optimal transfer price. What is that ideal transfer price? Ideal transfer price is the transfer price that satisfies the profit objective of everyone in the group, right? Everyone in the group means the head office, which is like the organization itself. Then you have the divisions that are trading, which is a selling division and then the buying division. So ideal transfer price is that transfer price that satisfies everyone. Means the selling division is happy with the price, the buying division is happy with the price, and of course the organization as a whole also is happy with the price. Don't forget that when we started, the number one objective of transfer price is goal congress. I would say that the goal congress is simply ability of the organization to be able to meet its objective regardless of whatever decision that the divisions are actually making. Today we'll quickly be looking at ideal transfer price and how to determine the ideal transfer price. All right, so please come with me. Transfer pricing, and then we are looking at ideal transfer price. Transfer price. All right, so we said ideal transfer price is simply transfer price that meets profit objective of 1, the selling division, 2, the buying division. So if you like, you can put this together and say profit objective of the divisions. All right, and thirdly, the group. The profit of the group must not reduce as a result of these decisions that are being made by the divisions. All right, so how do we determine this ideal transfer price? Determination of ideal transfer price. Determination of ideal price. Ideal transfer price. Okay, so one trick here is to look at these three people independently. It means that if I want to determine the ideal transfer price for the selling division, I will forget that I have buying division and also the group. All I'm looking at, I want to look at the price that would be ideal, that would be favorable to me that I'm selling this product. If I want to look at ideal transfer price for buying division, I'll be looking at the buying division in isolation of the selling division. So meaning that I will consider only the buying division. The price that I will be buying, I will maximize its profit. And of course, any price that you're selling within this ideal transfer price, the group profit will remain unchanged. All right, so basically we'll be looking at that. So let's quickly run into this. If I have the selling division here, and then I have the buying division. Let's say that this is a division A and this is division B. All right, don't forget, let me just mention, ideal transfer price, it can be a range of value, it can be a point value. All right, so and you'll see that in a bit. So when it's a range of value, simply we are saying a value that is ranging from the lowest to the highest. So usually the guy that is selling is the one setting the minimum price. If you want to sell a product, for instance, and you're bargaining, you will tell the customer the least amount I can sell, meaning that you're setting the price floor. The minimum amount you can sell is the price floor, which is set by the person that is selling. And the customer will be talking to you also, will say, oh, the maximum I can pay for this product is this. It means that it's setting the price ceiling. So the customer, the person that is buying from you, will set the maximum price, and you that you're selling will set the minimum price. So the price between that minimum price up to that maximum price that the customer is willing to buy, that range of value is what you look at as ideal transfer price. So in some cases, you have ideal transfer price ranging from the lowest value to the highest value, within, and any price within that range will not affect the overall profit of the organization. All right. So, but in some other cases, you can have it as a point value where you arrive at just one figure for, both selling and the buying division. All right. So we'll look at that in a bit. Let's look at this scenario and we'll look at capacity. Let's say capacity of this division A is 1,000 units. Capacity here simply means the quantity that selling division, which is division A, can actually produce and sell. All right. External demand. What is external demand? The maximum that external market is willing to buy from division A. Let's say that they are willing to buy 800 units. And then internal demand, which is the quantity that division B is actually requesting. And let's say that internal demand is, let's say 200 units. External selling price, which is the market price, let's say is 100 naira. And then variable cost for this product, say is 70 naira. 70 naira. Right. So now division A that is selling can decide to sell to external market and can also sell to internal. This guy that is buying can decide to buy from external market or can also buy from internal division. Internal division in this case is the division A. All right. Internal division here is division B for the guy that is selling. So now, like I said, if you're determining ideal transfer price, you look at these divisions independently. So first and foremost, what are the steps? What I need to know first, I need to know the capacity of the selling division. The capacity of the selling division is 1,000 units, meaning that selling division can only produce and sell 1,000 units. Out of this 1,000 units, external is requesting for 800. So meaning that whatever thing that is left is what it can give to internal division, which is 200 units. External selling price is 100 and variable cost is 70. So let's also assume here that this division can buy external buying price. That is how much it can buy. Buying price can buy from other suppliers, not internal now. Let's say that this guy can buy from other suppliers at say 90 naira. This is how much he can buy from external. All right. So ideal transfer price here. Let's look at the first one. The first step here, step 1. What is the capacity? 1,000. What is the external demand? So I need to understand the excess capacity. What is excess capacity here? Excess capacity means that I'm comparing the capacity, what they can produce, with how much external is willing to buy from them. Excess capacity here is simply 1,000 minus 800, and that should give me 200 units. Now, anytime you have excess, it simply means that this excess can only be sold at a variable cost, meaning that you can only recover the prime cost of making that product. All right. So if that is the case here, it means that the minimum price that this selling division will be willing to sell this 200. Now remember that this 200 is coming simply just by deducting the external from 1,000, not necessarily how much internal is requesting. All right. So in this case here, I don't want this video to be too long. So basically what I'm doing here is subtract this from this, and I have 200. And so my minimum price here minimum price that this selling division will be selling this product is simply how much? 70 naira, which is the variable cost. 70 naira. So let me write, any excess should be sold at variable cost. So it means the minimum price here is 70. And again, if I come to the buying division can buy this thing from outside at 90 naira. If they can buy from external at 90 naira, it means that the maximum that they can buy this product is actually 90 naira. So it means that the maximum price here, maximum price that division B will be willing to buy is 90, which is how much is buying from external market. So it means that my ideal transfer price equals to ranges between ideal transfer price ranges between 70 naira to 90 naira. All right. So any price between this 70 and 90, the group profit will remain the same. It will not change. But if division A sells below 70, the group profit will fall. If division B buys above 90, the group profit will also fall. So ideal transfer price that satisfies everybody in this group is that any price between 70 naira and up to 90 naira, and that gives me the range of transfer price for which this product should be transferred. All right, I hope this is clear. So the next video that is going to be dropping on this is linking this ideal transfer price to transfer price that is based on opportunity cost. Please watch and check this channel again. Thank you for listening. Please, if you are joining us for the first time, please support our channel by just subscribing so that you get more insightful videos on personal finance, financial management, performance management, and other business finance issues. Thank you, and see you again in the next video.